Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you what is graphic designing and how does it work. So graphic design is a craft where professionals create visual content to communicate messages by applying visual hierarchy and page layout techniques. These designers use typography and pictures to meet users' specific needs and focus on the logic and display of displaying elements in interactive designs to optimize the user experience. Graphic design is about molding the user experience visually. Graphic design is an ancient craft dating back past Egyptian hieroglyphy. The first one is consider the information architecture of your interactive design to ensure accessibility for users. Leverage graphic design skills to create a work that consider the entire user experiences, including users' visual processing abilities. For instance, if an otherwise pleasing mobile app cannot offer users what they need in several thumb clicks, its designers will have failed to marry graphic designing to user experience. The scope of graphic design in UX covers the creation of beautiful design that users find highly pleasurable, meaningful, and usable. Design is a solution to a problem. Art is a question to a problem. Graphic design is emotional design. Although to work in the digital age means you must design ID with interactive software, graphic design still revolves around age old principles. It's crucial that you strike the right chord with user from their first glance. Hence, graphic designing correspond, correspondence respondence with emotional design. As a graphic designer, you should have a firm understanding of color theory and how vital the right choice of color scheme is. Color choices must reflect not only the organization, for example, blue source banking, but also users should design them with an eye for how elements match the tone. You also need to design for the overall effect and not how you shape users' emotions as you guide them from, for instance, a landing page to call to action. Often, graphic designers are involved in motion design for small screens. They will carefully monitor how their works aesthetic match their users' expectations. They can enhance their design usability in a flowing seamless experience by anticipating the user's needs and mindsets. With user psychology in mind, it's important to stay focused on some special wide graphic design and considered concentrations, namely these symmetry and balance, included symmetry types, flow, repetition, pattern, the golden ratio, the role of thirds, typography, audience culture, read as an alert or in some instant cultures a signal of good fortune, and reading pattern left to right and Western cultures. So this is for this video guys. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.